Hello friends, it's Jessie here. I'm back with another video. This one's going to be a quickie. I just have a little Hobby Lobby haul for you guys. I went to Hobby Lobby to pick up one thing, and as always, I picked up a few more, but I'm very excited about what I picked up, so I'm going to share it with you. So first and foremost, I always check out the clearance aisle because they always have really good stuff on clearance at my Hobby Lobby. So they had this pack of pens here. They were originally $12.99 and reduced to $3.24. I have never tried these, but they say they're quick dry, no smear, and they are the Energel Flash liquid gel pen. So I'm excited to try these. I'm always on the hunt for a new pen. You guys know I'm big into pens and planners and writing lists and things, so hopefully these will work out really well. There's 8 of them in here. Black, red, blue, green, orange, pink, blue, and purple. So I'm very excited about those. Alright, I went ahead and took everything out of the bag because it was crinkling too much. The other thing I found on clearance were my favorite Pilot G2 in red. $1.74 for 2 of them. I use the red pen all the time in my budget, so nice to have a couple more of those, especially at that price. What I initially went in there for was this. This is a Happy Planner half-size notepad or notebook. I am really into the Happy Planner stuff. You guys know that. My main planner is a Happy Planner, and when I saw that they came out with these, I was super excited. They have full-size ones that are like the 7x9 size, like their planners. They also have little mini ones that are like their mini planner. They have little micro ones that are teeny tiny. And then they have this size, which I thought would be super great for list writing or, you know, that Hobonichi craze that's going on right now. I thought I could do like my own little version of that in this if I decided I wanted to. Let me go ahead and get all the packaging off of here and open this up and show you guys what this looks like. Alright, so they have a few different designs of these notebooks. I picked this one. I'm actually not all that crazy about the stripes. It says stripes are my favorite color. I'm not super crazy about this cover. I wasn't actually crazy about any of the covers, but I love the inside of this cover. And if you guys don't know, all of the Happy Planner covers are reversible, so I could definitely use this as my front cover, which I'm going to do. I love that with the little mini black discs. And then the inside of this notebook is the little dot grid. So what's really great is they do make tons of filler paper. You can use all different kinds of paper, and of course with the Happy Planner binding system with the rings, you can take paper out, add paper in, whatever you want. So this was originally $9.99, I think. Yes, $9.99. All of the Happy Planner stuff was 40% off. Every time I go to Hobby Lobby, the Happy Planner stuff is 40% off. So I got this for like $6. I thought that was a steal of a deal. And I'm super excited to start using this little notebook. And if you guys are interested in seeing videos on how I use this, let me know. I will definitely do that in the future. The last thing that I picked up was a new planner. Did I need a new planner? No. However, this planner was made for me. I have been considering for the last month or so ordering the Erin Condren hourly planner because I loved the idea of the lines, and I was thinking I was going to white out all the times and just do the lined, just use the lines for writing in my planner. But this planner actually is a lined planner, so I did not have to do that. I am so excited about this. Also, it has the metal discs, which was another thing I was considering buying today. I actually had this, almost this color disc. It was more silvery. The metal discs in my cart when I came across this planner, and purple's my favorite color, if you guys don't know. So this planner was just made for me. I'm also totally obsessed, and have been my entire life, with unicorns. I actually have a unicorn tattoo, so I mean this planner was literally like they designed it with me in mind. So it's got the gorgeous kind of holographic unicorn on the front cover. It says Wonder Seeker, which is so pretty. The inside of this planner has a really beautiful design as well, so I could always flip-flop it if I wanted to. But this is just gorgeous. It is an 18-month planner. It does have the lined vertical layout, which I'm super psyched about. This goes from July 2019 to December 2020, so my current planner ends at the end of this year. So probably going to combine a lot of the elements from the planner that I'm currently using with some of the elements from this planner, which I love that about the Happy Planner system, that you can do that. But let me just go through this, show you guys some of the features. This, by the way, was $34.99, but again, it was 40% off, so I got it for like, what is that, just over $20? So yeah, isn't that unicorn just beautiful? And then inside, you have the little cover page. I'm not going to do like a total flip through of this, but this video is a little bit shorter, so I can add a little bit more to it and just show you guys some of the interesting details here. So the dividers are beautiful in these gorgeous deep jewel tones. Before each month, you get a little page that has monthly goals, important dates, and write it down. So a little spot for notes. July's cover here says, "She's magic," that one. So beautiful. This is what the monthly layout looks like with the sort of like watercolor detail here. It's got a very ethereal, like dream-like theme, which is, again, right up my alley. It's so lovely. I'm super psyched about this lined layout because I feel like my handwriting is going to be so much neater. I've sort of moved away from doing a ton of stickers in my actual like week-to-week planner. It's mostly just been ink. So I think this is going to be perfect. Very excited about this. So yeah, that was July. For August, it says, "You're a gem." Again with the monthly and then the weekly layout. October is this beautiful like holographic foiling. November is stripes. December says, "You are made of stardust and wishes and magical things." I just love this. Whenever there's dates like holidays and stuff, they included them here on this little page here. Sorry, that was my phone. But yeah, gorgeous. Never stop making wishes. This, again, with that gorgeous unicorn. I'm just in love with that. And it says, "Be the light." For March, it's just like this color block. So pretty. I am super excited about this planner and about the metal rings. This is my first experience with the metal rings, and from what I can tell, they're not ultra heavy. For some reason, I was expecting it to really bulk up the planner and make it heavy, but they're very lightweight. They are metal, though, so that hopefully they won't break the way that the plastic ones do. April says, "Magic is something you make." So pretty. May says, "Live a life of endless wonder." June is again with the stripes. So pretty. That's just like the inside of the cover. July is the little unicorns. How darling is that? August says, "She dreams of the ocean late at night." September, "Don't wait for sleep to dream." That is beautiful. I would love a cover like this. October is the mermaid scales. November, wishes and dreams. And December is just the little stars. So I am super psyched to begin using this planner. Very excited about the lined layout. And I'm super pumped about this little notebook as well, plus the little pens. So all in all, it was a great little trip to Hobby Lobby. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up if you did. If you guys would like to see videos in either one of my new little planners, let me know. I'd love to do that for you. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!